Welcome. I would have called her. She should have relaxed. He could have come. As you can see, today we will focus on the past modals. Let's begin.
Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. Pay attention to the following situations. John has to work every day. Last night, he went to a party. John should have stayed home. John shouldn't have gone dancing. He should have slept early.
Will is telling Sam that he had a problem with his boss. Sam comments, I wouldn't have yelled. I would have been relaxed. I would have talked calmly.
Jake didn't go to school this morning. His friends are wondering why. Jake could have overslept. Jake could have stayed home. Jake could have missed the bus.
As you can see, we use the past modals to talk hypothetically about situations in the past.
John should have stayed home. Should have, in this case, is used to express a different recommended action in the past.
I would have been relaxed. Would have is used to express an imaginary result in the past.
Jake could have overslept. Could have is used to express possibilities in the past.
Now practice using past modals to describe hypothetical situations in the past.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!